Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by planning the core elements. Decide a consistent tempo of 60 to 80 BPM suited for focused study sessions, and pick an overall mood, ambient, lo-fi, or classical, matched to concentration. Choose a length like 2 hours for a single upload or an 8-hour loop for long sessions, and outline sections to avoid abrupt changes. Select royalty-free samples or original melodies, and keep clear notes about licenses. Sketch a simple visual concept, colors, and font sizes so your thumbnail and video art read clearly at 1280 by 720 pixels. In production, build a clean arrangement. Use layers, a soft pad, a light melodic motif, and subtle percussion at low volume to maintain focus without distraction. Apply sidechain or gentle compression and normalize levels so peak amplitude stays below -6 dB and leave headroom for streaming platforms. Add a simple stereo field and mild reverb to create space, then master lightly to preserve dynamics. Export high-quality MP3 at 320 kbps or WAV 24-bit for best fidelity. And create a separate 1200 when uploading. Write a clear title including keywords like study music, focus, 60-80 BPM, and duration to aid discovery. Include timestamps or a track list, license details, and download links in the description, and place 3 to 5 relevant hashtags at the end. Create an engaging thumbnail with legible text and schedule a premiere to build momentum. Use tags and playlists to group related videos and promote on study communities, Reddit, and Discord. Collaborate with study streamers to expand reach and check analytics weekly to refine tempo, length, and visuals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.